Welcome to episode 2. We skipped a whole bunch because we played through it and it wasn't recording, and I don't feel like going back. So we are here. We are in a psych ward. The progress we have made so far is we have the letter to exit the psych ward. We just need to convince another patient whom the letter belongs to give us her ID tag. And to do that, we have to find out her mother's name. So she just came out of the bathroom. We're going to run the hot water. This just came right out of my brain. I just know how to do this. It's instinctual.
Galaxy brain.
I'm actually a pro gamer.
Yeah.
It's just common sense, really.
There's footage that I don't think anyone will ever see, that I don't think I've even seen of when we were first testing this. Eel. Her name is Eel. But when we were testing, like recording Let's Plays and stuff, we were playing Doom.
Oh yeah. You're good at like original OG Doom?
No, the
new
remake.
one? Okay.
Because Matt really likes the music. It's very cool. But he was just like, here's how you play. Like, just try it. And we'll just like play and record. And I was like, shooting things? I've never done that. And we were watching Funhouse the other day, and I really like Elise, and he always says I should be like Elise because she plays like the shooter games with them, and I'm like, no, you don't understand. I don't think I can do that. But now we're gonna press this button, get some help, and they're gonna think we're crazy. But that's what we want them to think.
Someone's coming.
Sorry, there's some dog-cat relations going on.
Have you rang the bell? Is there an emergency?
Not sexual relations. Kind of controversial relations. I'm feeling a bit woozy.
I'm feeling a bit woozy.
Are you really? You look fine to me.
No, I'm really not.
No. Oh, bless.
I'll
Begin.
call the doctor
Papa
for
bless.
you, but I
Yeah, I was waiting for
I'll
it.
get here straight away. In the meantime, I know
No,
how
it's
you
very
feel.
allergic to all the animals in
I
all
think
this
it's
room.
time we give you
In
some
all this
medication.
In
room?
all this room.
In all of
All
this
this
room.
room.
In this whole room, he's allergic to all of them.
It's
What
official.
is my name? Are you kidding me? Mind your own business. I'm not taking anything.
I'll have your name.
Ann Burton,
Ooh.
born in 1975.
Anne
That one?
Burton, born in 1975.
Let me just check a name.
Oh. It's okay, I'm
Miss Oswald,
delusional.
I think you got a little confused there. Drink this liquid now. It'll make you all.
It'll make you all better. Take drugs. Always say yes to drugs.
Yeah.
They're expensive.
Now, drink it down.
All
You'll
drugs.
feel
If
much
someone's offering you free drugs,
Yeah.
like,
Someone's like, hey, you wanna hit this meth pipe?
you're like, how much is that meth? Like,
better. You'll be able to
you're
get
gonna
lost.
waste it?
Don't do math.
Don't-
Yeah.
Disclaimer,
do.
don't do math. What? It's like her name's Sheila. Oh, I'm woozy. I want some drugs. I want some good shit.
It's like a turkey. Walk really.
Ooh.
Oh, never mind. I was gonna say walk really fast. Nope, not an option.
Let's go. This is as fast as we go. I'm going for the big boys. I'm getting out of here.
Yeah, just straight out.
Oh,
Okay, well,
Jesus.
that's
Narcotic heart examined.
subtle.
Is this thing filled with drugs? Yeah.
Take 'em.
That's where they get it all.
Uh-huh. Wait. Can
Oh.
I?
Keep that good.
Narcotic examined. Red liquid is gushing out. Uh-huh. Use. I'll fill it with this drug.
Use drug. Take drug.
No, I'm gonna give it.
That looks like ketchup.
It's not ketchup.
It's in the ketchup cup, too.
I didn't get this from Five Guys. Please don't talk to me.
You know, you can unfold
No,
it.
no, don't look at me.
Make a plate.
What?
You've never seen that?
Yeah.
Uncivil.
It's on
That's
the
like people
internet.
that use a drink lid for their ketchup. Like, please don't.
Enter my room. Let me sleep. Let me slumber.
Nice sky.
It's very pretty. I love this game.
It's really pretty outside.
This game is so pretty.
Oh, hello.
She tried. She got to bed. That was all we could hope for. Am I
Sitting
right?
and feet off the bed.
Yeah. Good morning.
The drugs have worn off, and
The drugs
I
have
feel
worn
better.
off, and I feel
But I can't
much
let
better.
them do that to me again. I need to get out of here.
It's okay. I've got this. I got all the information now.
We took a very brief nap. She's still standing in
She's
the hallway.
still here. We were really only knocked out for like a few minutes.
But I know it.
Yeah, I know it. It's
Sheila.
Sheila, the
Yes.
only option.
It was my mother who sent you after all. I'm sorry I didn't believe you.
But my head's all messed up. Aww.
So let's have a little chat, sweetheart.
Do you know how to get out of here? Something's wrong with this place.
Yeah.
Something's wrong with this place.
I think it's really nice.
I'm sure you do.
You must stay here. Do what they say. Take pills they give us. Sometimes, if I behave, they give me the red stuff.
I got
wait
some red
for it.
stuff.
I'm being good.
I wait for it. I'm
What
being
is
good.
This red stuff.
It's a drug.
My favorite one.
Red stuff takes the pain away. I must stay here. Good nurses have been most kind. They always remember. They know I'm suffering. But it is not the same as the drugs I see in my dreams. On the other side of the mirror, there's a spider's heart full of drugs. I just can't seem to find it anymore.
I see.
So limbo is
Right?
like the mirror dimension.
Ooh. Or something. What exactly is this little tree you mentioned? Are you alright? Feel like sharing? What's your name? How about we swap our name
How
bands?
about we swap our name bands?
Wouldn't that be fun?
Oh, yeah. I don't mind.
Oh yeah. I don't mind.
That was
Like
so
favour to
easy.
you. Yeah?
Well, technically, you wouldn't lose.
Damn.
Because I'd give you my
playing
name
this.
band instead.
Yeah.
Poor lady.
Taking advantage of this crazy.
Does that make any sense?
Addict.
Yeah.
Sure, yeah.
I do want something better in return, though. I'm not that stupid. I know you'll use it to get out of here.
Oh, I never said you're stupid. I just really want to go home. Please understand.
That's fine.
That's fine.
I don't mind.
I don't mind.
I'll give it to you if you get me
If
the
you
red
get me the
stuff.
red stuff.
Okay,
What you
deal.
say?
That was-
Deal.
Sure.
Thought nurses
How
would
convenient.
I thought the nurses give it to you
No,
anyway.
Not that.
I'm talking
I'm
about the
talking
real
about the
thing.
thing.
Oh.
Something you can only
The
get
world of
in the world of
dreams.
dreams.
Got that.
Now that is something special.
No
Is
problem.
it safe?
I don't care.
Just give it to her. I don't care. That's what she
Take
wants,
it.
so you can leave.
Okay. I'll see what I can do.
About these name bands. Can I have it.
About these name
Take it.
bands.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
I don't,
mind.
We can swap our name bands as soon as you bring
Okay,
me the
so
red
like
stuff.
walk away and come
But
back.
remember, it's hidden.
It won't let me.
Can't
You have to
walk
follow
I don't
the
think so.
heartbeat of the spider. It's right there. In
It
the
has to
world
let me out of the
dreams,
talk
the
cycle.
world of
I think.
nightmares.
Can I? Free me.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Escape.
Are you alright?
Are you alright?
I'm fine. Yes, it's all fine.
It's all fine.
It's just
Sounds
hard
fine.
to wait,
Ye-
you know?
I think she's fine.
They said I can have it. You know, yeah? So I wait here. Don't want to miss it.
Don't miss
That
it.
nurse promised it to me. The one with the red glasses. But I think it's been 3 hours already. Why are they late? Do you think something happened? Do you think she changed her mind? Because I swear if she did, I will hurt myself again. I swear to God, I will hurt myself again.
I'm sure they'll be here in a minute. They're probably just very busy. That's all. What exactly is this little treat you mentioned?
It's the red teardrop of pure happiness. They bring it, I drink it down, and my pain goes away. Without it, I just feel so angry. It's like I'm going crazy. It's funny, but I just get so fucking angry sometimes.
I like the all caps.
I'm dying.
It really adds something.
It does.
We're all
In the
dying,
yellow
I heard.
text.
Uh-huh.
She said I'd
Kinda
go
like
to
a
hell for it.
Old
I
cowboy
didn't do
movie or
anything.
something. I don't know.
I didn't know. Does he know?
Who?
Him!
Right. Okay. No.
Oh, him.
Probably not.
Yeah. I don't
need
think
the
he
red
knows.
medicine. I need it now. I must be a good girl. I must be a nice girl.
Maybe I could get you some of that stuff. Do you know where they keep it?
Huh?
Oh, they have it here. And I spit in my
Huh?
I can.
Oh,
Huh. I'll talk to you later,
there we
yeah?
go.
See you later.
Yes. Go.
Yes, go.
They're watching us. And remember,
We
we
must,
must
be nice.
to
to
earn
earn
the
the red
red stuff.
No, you gotta use
Always
your glass shard
nice.
that you stole.
Uh-huh. That's how you get it. Poor woman. Yeah. 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 Take these drugs. Drink.
Drink it. Ah, rookie
I found the
mistake.
thing you asked me for.
It's not for me,
Could
dude.
drink
I tried
half
it
of it.
once.
Are you
It's not for me.
absolutely certain it won't harm you?
Don't be silly. Of course it won't.
Fine.
I hope you know what you're doing, drug
Can I
addict.
have your name band now, please?
Yes. No matter what they say, I do keep my promises.
What do they?
You know what? It don't
doesn't.
matter.
Thank you for your help.
Bye.
Later. Next. We're getting out, baby.
Ceiling.
Later, cocksuckers. We getting out of this bitch.
Sorry, Mom, can't let you through. We'll need to see a discharge letter from your doctor first.
Here. Are you happy now?
Yes, that seems fine. Can I just check your name band to confirm that you are indeed Anne Burton?
Oh, all right. I didn't realize you knew how to read.
Damn.
Susan,
Of course.
coming for
Thank you,
him.
Mum. We'll see you soon.
Hey, he handled it like a
Oh.
G.
No, you won't. Now get out
of my
way.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Have a fine day. Door. Enter. I'm getting out of here.
It's locked.
What's that? Door?
Please
Open.
open. Still.
Hey, how you doing? Half. Oh no, that's not.
Well,
That's not my name.
perhaps
Wow.
I am.
Do you mind if I ask you
I'm just
where
going
you're
home.
heading to?
I was just going for a little walk, stretch my legs, get some fresh
Oh,
air.
just lied. Like, no, I'm in. Look, see? Oh.
Busted.
Give it a rest. I'm not going anywhere.
Miss Ashworth, please relax. There's been a mistake. You have been prescribed wrong medication.
Oh,
I
have I?
apologize sincerely on behalf of my team and the hospital. But luckily we managed to spot it on time.
Oh, have
On
I?
time. You have no idea what I've been through.
Once again, I'm truly sorry. I promise no more drugs will be given to you. I personally guarantee you will have a good,
can I get some of that red
peaceful
shit?
sleep. And you can be discharged
Wait.
in the
The other
morning.
girl
Like
said
the-
it was real
What?
good.
I want to go
Wait, so
now.
that means they're not gonna give me
I'm
the red
very
shit now?
sorry, but
Like,
we
I thought
can't
that was
legally
like just standard.
discharge suicidal patients without a full psychiatric assessment. It's too late for it now, but I promise we'll have a chat in my office first thing in the morning, okay? And then you can go home. Is that all right?
I haven't really got much choice, have I?
Now I'd like to
Back
ask
here.
you some questions about your life, Susan.
Well, I guess for them
You
here
might
for the
find
first
them
time.
very
He's really
personal,
boring. We
but
lied
it's
to him about our
important that
childhood.
you answer me as honestly as possible.
Fine. Let's get it over with then, shall we? I'd like to go home at last.
Of course, I understand. So, Susan, let's see. Are you living alone at the moment?
I rent a flat and I live on my own, and it
I live
suits
on
me
my
just
own.
fine.
And it suits me just fine. I don't need anyone.
I don't need anyone. People mostly
bore
bore me.
Sometimes they annoy me or upset
Mm.
me. I'm happy with how things are at the moment.
Relatable.
I have my little bit of space, and it's my own. It's private. I'd like to keep it that way.
Plus cats.
What do you do for a living?
I'm between jobs, or I'm a waitress.
I can't see Susan being a waitress.
Nor can
She's not a
between
people
jobs at the
person.
I.
moment.
No, so no.
I'll find something soon, but it's been difficult. I didn't feel that great. I felt weak and powerless and
Ooh,
tired most of the time. I felt
he does
really
crack it out, yeah.
awfully tired.
Typical depression symptoms. We can give you something for
Typical
that.
depression.
He
You
just
are
said that they
strong
weren't going to give us
and
more drugs.
motivated.
I admire your faith in modern medication, Doctor. I hope you're right.
Describe to me what your mornings look like. What is the first thing you do each day?
What's the first thing y'all do each day? I drink some strong coffee and smoke on the balcony. Heard. I eat breakfast, cereal usually. I have a cup of tea and read newspaper. I lie in bed awake. I can't bring myself to open my eyes.
Woof.
I go to the toilet, doesn't everyone? I put the TV on so I can watch old TV shows.
Balcony.
Balcony, yeah.
Yeah.
I drink strong coffee.
I was like,
and
that's
smoke on the
pretty
balcony.
accurate.
I know it's not a great start for the day, but it's one of my little pleasures in life that I find very hard to say no to.
Would you say that you feel safer at home than outside?
Yeah.
Duh.
Yeah.
Who doesn't?
The place where I
suppose
inhabit and
it's
like
not really about safety.
keep my stuff
I've just
safe.
felt sad
makes
for
me
a
feel
long
safe.
time now.
What a surprise.
Really sad, you know? Somehow it brings me down even more when I go out and see all those happy, successful people. It makes me feel more like a failure if I don't see it. It
Whew,
doesn't hurt
that's
that
heavy.
much.
What do you think is missing in your life? Or rather, what is one thing that you think would make your life better?
It'd be nice to have some more money, I guess. A good friend, someone I could really trust. I was better looking. A reason to go on.
Something to fight for.
Is that what we're going with?
I mean,
Something to fight
feels
for.
like the
The
I don't
moral of the story.
that and good friend doesn't really seem like her.
Something
She
to
doesn't really
fight
want a
for.
friend. I really don't think.
I don't think she cares
A
too much
reason
about
to
how
go
she
on.
looks.
There's
And
always
money.
a reason.
Yeah.
To live.
I mean, I guess she could buy more
Sometimes we
cats.
just don't see it that clearly.
She doesn't have to buy it.
Well,
That's-
Doctor,
that is
Buy more
fair.
cat
I've gone
food.
all
There you
blind
go.
then, because I can't see any.
Feed them. Attract all of
Have you
them. She could
ever
buy some
attended
catnip.
group
Catnip.
therapy for
She
depression
rolled in it.
or some other
Money
form
doesn't buy
of
happiness,
counseling?
but it does enable it.
It does enable it. Oh, hell yeah.
Welcome to capitalism.
It didn't help much, as you can see. I'm not sure it's a good idea. I don't know what he said to me. Probably something about taking drugs? I don't know. It didn't help much, as you can see. Oh, maybe like trying to kill myself. No, I'm not sure it's a good idea. I'm just gonna say yes.
Yes, it didn't help much, as you can see.
Just something to think about. I can see you're really willing to open up and talk about
She
it.
really does.
That's a positive
Yeah.
sign.
She really
I-
just lets him
I
in.
haven't really
She's real
talked about my
friendly.
feelings for a long time.
You're doing very well so far. Do you have problems sleeping?
Every night, rarely.
She definitely just took a nap for like 3 minutes.
So, like, rarely. I sleep well most nights.
Rarely. I sleep well most nights. If anything, I probably sleep too much.
At me.
Either
Would
way,
you
you
describe
could,
for
yeah.
me how
there's
you
Just at
a
me
feel
friend
next
at the
there.
time.
moment?
I feel fine now, definitely better before the incident. I feel like the whole world is against me. How are you guys feeling? You feel fine?
I'm fine. Let me go.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
I'm fine.
I feel fine now. I feel like I want to
I
change
really
my
do.
life for
I want
the
to change my life for the better.
Not really sure
I'm gonna get some
how
more
yet,
cats.
but I really want
Order
to
business,
try.
number one.
Do
I really
you
have a
find it
plan
hard
set
to
out for me.
concentrate?
I do. Some people I'm gonna find. Meet. No, not really. Yes, sometimes.
Trouble concentrating.
Oh, trouble concentrating? No, not really.
No, not
Nah.
really.
Do you drink alcohol, Susan?
Of course not.
Nah.
No,
Speaking of
That's
which,
good. Alcohol is a powerful depressant.
I never really liked drinking.
Excellent.
Get this on
Sometimes
audio
when
and then
life
we'll
gets
plug
too
it.
much, you feel sad or upset, you think about suicide. Do you
Turn up the
often
sensitivity
think
so
about
you get the, like,
suicide?
Gulp.
Are we doing
That'd be
ASMR
really
now?
funny. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Alcohol accident. No, it's a trend. Brief intermission. Kenzie got some Evan Williams on her shirt.
You can edit this out in post.
Oh yeah, I'm real good at editing. I know how to cut and paste like a pro.
Good shit.
Goodbye, kid. Bye, kid then. Aww. It's okay. It's just gonna be wet. Hey, good dog. Right. And we're back. No, of course, I don't know what's gotten into me. Well, I used to think about it sometimes. Oh, how often do we think about killing ourselves? What do you think? I used to think about it sometimes. Of course not.
of course not. There's nothing wrong with me.
Yeah, we're getting
No,
out of
of
here.
course
There's
not.
nothing wrong with me.
I
You're
don't know
crazy.
what got
I'm
into
not
me.
crazy. You're
It's
crazy.
hard to explain
You're not
why I
real.
did it.
I'm real.
I must have thought there was
No, you're
option
pretty.
left, but I never used to think about it or plan it. It just happened, as if I'd suddenly lost control. I knew what I was doing was wrong, and yet I was unable to stop it. Strange, isn't it?
Please, in your own words, try to explain to me why did
hard to
you
Why
really
did
try
you
to take
really
your own
try to
life,
take your
Susan?
own life, Susan? It was just a sudden impulse. I'm ashamed of it now. Nothing was making me happy anymore. I wanted to show everyone how hurt I was deep inside.
Just sudden impulse.
It was a spur of the moment.
Ashamed
I was
now.
just drunk. I thought it would be fun.
I'm
That's why I don't drink, man.
That's why I
had
don't
a really
drink.
rotten day, you know? I felt like I was suffocating between the four walls of my bedroom.
I felt like
It
it was
just would get
suffocating.
worse and worse.
Yeah.
By the afternoon, I realized I cried for the past 3 hours. I didn't even know I'd been crying until I went to the bathroom and saw my face in the mirror. I looked like a ghost. I looked like I was dead already, you
Mhm.
know?
Yeah, well,
And then I saw the sleeping
I
pills.
hate to tell you,
I thought, why
it
not?
looks like that all the time.
And I did it.
Do you feel as if you're a burden,
Or that life
or that
is not
life
worth
isn't
living.
worth living?
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. It's strange. But I feel lighter. I feel stronger. Besides, I live alone. Who could I be a burden?
Literally, who could I be a burden to? Myself?
What makes you feel better?
My cats?
My cats
Yes.
love me.
Yes.
My cats. First answer. I didn't even hear what he
always
said.
put out a bowl of food for the stray cats. They're ever so grateful. I like their
I like their company. Me
What
too.
makes you feel worse?
Me too, babe.
Dogs.
Flowers.
Yeah.
Hard to say. It could be anything. I hate when it rains all the time. I'll say people. Hey, people.
They've let
me down too many
times.
times.
I don't know
Don't
who
need
to
'em.
trust anymore.
Why
I
come who
only
needs
trust
them?
my cats these days.
You could go
So
to
you
5
say
or
in the
6 stores,
suicide
or
note.
Because
just
that's
one.
true. I've been stabbed in the
I
back
don't
more
need
times than I
friends.
could count.
They disappoint me.
Have you imagined your funeral and how people will react?
I've actually
to
done
your
that.
death?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you not?
Not really.
Am I alone in that? Have you ever thought about how people would react to your funeral?
Not my funeral, but like to me dying.
Oh yeah, to me dying.
Me dying, yeah, I guess, but not like my funeral or anything.
Like, what would my mom wear?
Yeah.
No, I've
She'd
never
wear that
thought about
ugly
it.
ass dress that she wore, like something like that. I never really thought about that. Probably nobody would come anyway.
I hoped people would feel guilty.
Oh,
Jesus.
I
That's
never
yeah.
really
I
That's
always
dark.
I hoped people would feel guilty when I thought about
Yes, it
like
would be
myself
cheap.
dying. I
I
wanted
don't
to
really
like
know what they do.
punish everyone for
like
being a
me.
dick to me.
Maybe they just throw us in a hole and forget about it, since there'd be nobody to visit my grave anyway.
I don't think so, Susan. The city would pay for it.
Or so
The
they want
city would
people
pay
to
for it.
So
Don't
they want
don't
the people
worry.
to believe.
Finally, I'd like you to tell me about Eric.
Eric.
Yes, your husband.
It's my dad's name.
I believe this might
Ooh.
be.
Ooh, it's got
What can you
personal.
Tell me about
Tell me
your
about your
relationship?
husband.
What had happened?
What happened between you two? Yeah. All of these are like, I don't want to talk about it.
I don't really want to talk about this.
Fine. I suppose
one
you've
day,
opened enough
he's
for
not done
one
with
day. Okay, one more question. This is just a formality, but I have to ask. Are you going
Are
to
you going to do it again?
That's a hard one.
I
I
don't know.
But
Bold
hey,
answer.
But hey, I've got it.
the answer is
The answer is
no.
no, I'm not.
No.
Thank you very
very
much.
much.
Have to ask. have to
Excellent.
say.
Nearly done here. There's just one more thing I must clear
You
with
just said that.
you. What exactly happened last
You asked
night?
me another question after you said
Well,
one more question.
After
Look,
I'd met
buddy,
you outside
I've
the
got
ward yesterday,
places to
I
be.
went back to my room and fell
Outside
asleep,
the word.
I slept really well, considering what happened earlier. But then
Oh,
someone
what?
woke me up. It was the same nurse who was so
Oh.
friendly with me
Oh,
the
okay.
first night.
Oh, we've been
She said we needed to
flashbacking.
talk.
Okay, so all of
We must go, Susan. You are not safe here.
But
Please, you must follow me. Quickly.
You didn't go? Oh,
No, I-
you did.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think
I went
before,
after her.
like
The ward
the
seemed very quiet.
question
It must have been
therapist
late at
setting
night.
is happening like present, and then all this hospital stuff
Right.
has happened before. So Liz is like
Wait for
taking me
me.
somewhere.
Tell me what's going on here.
He was like, "What happened last night?" Like, what? This apparently?
The security guys were gone. She pointed at the corridor and said,
You go first. I'll explain everything in a minute.
You go first, bitch.
Susan, if we don't escape now, they're going to hurt you. Please trust me. I know a way out of here. I'll help you escape. Let's go down this corridor. I'll be right behind you.
Okay, I guess we're going this way. The
Is she
exit.
slacking behind?
She's gone.
It's okay. I just
Knew
want to
that
get
was
out
gonna happen,
anyway.
yeah.
So
I
like,
think I can hear someone coming.
Should be Liz, right?
thank God, it's just Liz.
We can't go through there. Let's turn back, Susan. I know another way.
Okay.
Okay, someone's down that way. We gotta go another way. No problem. Nothing suspicious.
Turn left here. We can use the maintenance
Use
lift to get us out of this place.
Okay, no problem. No problem. I trust Liz. She's not gonna lead me astray. She's a good kid. Hey, what's up?
I don't know why these
Oh, here I am.
chairs are like slightly unsettling.
Button called lift. Get in the lift. Enter. Oh. Oh, this isn't the ground floor.
What are we doing on the roof?
What are we doing on the roof?
Liz,
Liz, what are you doing?
what the hell are you doing? And why is there blood on your clothes? Liz,
It's quicker than the stairs. And besides, all the doors are locked anyway. This is the only way out of here. The only escape. Let's both jump. It won't hurt, you'll see.
This is a bad idea.
This is a bad idea. Calm down and we'll talk.
I've made up my mind. I need to end this suffering now. Besides, I have no one to live for anyway. No one ever listened to me. No one ever cared.
I listened.
I listened.
You have your whole life ahead of you.
You listened. Did you really?
Of course I did. You talk a lot, but I've always been a good listener. I liked talking to you.
So do you remember that story then? The one I told you the other night? The one about the woman in A&E?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
What are our other options here?
Hold on.
Jumped off the roof. I don't think. You
Could be
told me
she
that
burned in
story.
bed. Remember she burnt up with the light?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
but oh.
Yeah.
Kenzie's smart.
Just
We're
smoked
gonna
a
go with what
cigarette.
she said.
Burned in bed.
Okay,
Oh,
Yay!
wow. Nice.
you're right.
Okay. Kenzie knows how to
Just
play
a blind
games.
guess.
We're gonna trust her from now
But I
on.
must jump anyway.
Oh, didn't even do anything.
Cool, you listened, but like, I'm gonna jump anyway.
Did you not hear?
Right, just snatch her.
Oh,
choice.
she
Shut up,
fucked
Liz.
by saying something
You
too.
do. You can choose to come back inside with me, and we'll just forget this like it never happened. Okay?
We'll
Do you
just
remember that
pretend
other thing I
happened.
told you?
The other thing.
I'm
You
sure
remember
I
those
told you
other
about
thing
my
I told you?
blackmail.
All right, Kenzie.
Did I tell you what one
What
of them does
what
for a
do what do
living?
they do for a
I
living?
bet you don't remember that.
Did you even tell? Bleh.
What else did we see?
Waitress.
Waitress?
Waitress was an option for something we did.
Mm-hmm.
She's a waitress.
A waitress.
Oh,
You're
shit.
full of crap after
Yeah.
all.
I don't
Never
think
listen.
She didn't tell us
I
that.
don't think she
I
did.
swear I did.
You can't just ask me questions that I don't know the answer to.
I can't
For the
remember
love of God.
exactly what you said, but it doesn't mean I don't care.
You don't. Nobody does.
It's okay.
My
I'm pretty
colleagues
sure
don't
it was
care.
like
My family don't care. Even my fucking boyfriend
plot
never cared.
failure anyway.
He said he needed to go find himself. Did I tell you when he broke up with me?
Like staged lost. Oh, on your birthday? On Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day is the most cliche.
On Valentine's Day.
Yes. Valentine's Day. You've got this one right. But it's not enough.
Achievement unlocked. I
You
listened.
didn't cause me this pain. This suffering. I have to do this to be free again. Jump with me, Susan. Do it while you still can.
No!
Nice, right on the car. Gotta wake everybody else up too.
Right? Can't just kill yourself. You
Come on,
have-
guys, let's go.
That's the message here. You can't just like cleanly kill yourself. It's always gonna disrupt other people's lives. So, yeah. Oh, I was like, are we just gonna like fade out? Like, do I have to play some more?
After
I don't
that,
know.
I went back. I tried telling people about Liz, but they all thought I was crazy again.
Oh,
and
because
didn't
they were
believe
like,
me.
hey, no one named Liz worked here.
And you were absolutely sure you saw Liz jump off this building.
She was good.
You know, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
I just want to finish this and get some fresh air.
Well, because she said she knew
Susan,
Dr. X, so
I
like
know
he,
Liz well.
I know Liz well.
wouldn't
She wouldn't do something like that.
As a matter of
I
fact,
saw her this
I
morning.
saw her
She's
this
fine.
Okay, never mind.
She's fine. I'd like you to come
I'd like
with
you to
me
come with me and see her.
her.
Say hi. Make
Say
sure she's
hi.
all right.
Make sure she's all right.
Stop treating me like I'm crazy. Fine. I'll go. I don't even care that much anyway. The door is locked?
Uh huh.
I plan ahead, Susan. I had a feeling in my gut, and my gut's never wrong.
It's gonna drug
I
you.
feel like I really got to know you, though. I'm very sorry you've had such a difficult life.
Get away from
I like your green
Stop moving
eyes,
closer.
and sleek cheekbones. You're a clever girl, Susan.
me. A clever
The
girl.
sadness has poisoned you for too long. There is no coming
There's
back.
no coming back from it.
For what
Sometimes.
it's worth, I would have let you go if it wasn't for Liz.
That went well, huh? Because I'm just not gonna die, right?
Wow, he's just
Wow.
going for it. I'm already
Going
dead,
at it.
dude. Just like. Or am I? The next chapter?
Dr. X gets arrested.
Well, presumably worse. Okay, so next time we're gonna have to get out of this weird purgatory again to get back to Dr. X so we can kill him.
Oh, so he's one. Of
Yep,
the-
he's one of our parasites.
Gotcha.
Yep, so we can't die. So we're just gonna get through this in between place, do the soul, the blood sacrifice, and then get back to it. Because he does some fucked up shit. I wish you could stay for longer to see the fucked up shit that he does.
I'll watch the first one.
Do it. It's really awesome. And yeah, I think that's all for now. We'll leave you on that happy note. We'll see you next time for Cat Lady. This Halloween spooky episodes.
Spoopy.
Spoopy. Spoopy counter is going. Bye-bye.
Bye. Enjoy the 2-month run up to Halloween.
It is September 16th.
Excuse me.
It's
month and a half.
time.